At the artistic workshops of the General Animation Studio, preparations for the new academic season are in full swing. Especially for the beginning of the school year, we prepared a new tutor, this cute, grey-haired old man in a white, ancient Greek tunic. We will call him Euclid, in honor of the greatest educator of all times, Euclid of Alexandria, on whose legendary textbook Elements many generations of students studied mathematics. On video lessons from General Animation Studio also has grown up a whole generation of animators, and I hope that with our new experienced and legendary lecturer, we will continue our noble cause with even greater success. Once again, as in the good old days, Euclid of Alexandria will teach young people the basics of animation, and not just the basics. As you can see, our Euclid is a very simple model, consisting of only a couple of dozen parts, but at the same time he can talk, he can walk, and even run. And he does all this in automatic mode. This is what we will talk about in the new season: how to use in your work automatic pre-programmed animation to create cartoons quickly and efficiently without spending too much effort. Visit our website generalanimation.com, where you will find all our models and detailed instructions on how to work with them. Sign up for our training courses, study animation with us, and we will make cartoons together.